This is the Ring Peephole Cam, a smart doorbell that replaces your traditional peephole with a sleek camera. I've been using it for a few months now, and I've tried almost every similar product out there. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know before deciding if it's the right choice for you. Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Peephole Cam, installation tools, a USB charging cable, a user manual, and a security sticker. Setting up this camera is pretty simple. Start by removing your existing peephole from the door. Then insert the Ring Peephole Cam into the opening. Secure it using the provided screws, then open the Ring app, select Set up a new device, choose Peephole, and follow the on-screen instructions. The whole process only took me about 5 minutes. I found this camera super easy to use. To view the live video, just open the Ring app on your smartphone and select the camera. From there, you can see who's at your door, record clips, and even communicate using two-way audio. I'm really impressed with this camera's design. It's made to blend seamlessly with your door's aesthetic, and it does just that. At approximately 3 inches high, 2 inches deep, and 2 inches wide, it's compact yet stylish with a sleek, modern look. For such a small device, I'm really impressed with the high-definition 1080p video quality. The images were sharp, crisp, and clear both day and night, thanks to the night vision feature. Plus, the field of view is excellent. It's 155 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, making it great for motion detection. The motion detection alerts are also customizable, helping to reduce false alerts while still providing instant notifications when someone approaches. The battery life is another strong point of this camera. It's rechargeable and removable, lasting for several weeks before needing a recharge. Plus, it doesn't take long to fully charge either. I really love having the Ring Peephole Cam. It's not only a great security feature, but also super convenient since I can see who's at my door without even getting up. Whether you're at home or away, it keeps you connected and secure. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a user-friendly security solution for their house or apartment.